Yes everyone, hello, this is Jarau Moses. I welcome you back to my channel. Today we have a brand new video. I'm going to be showing you how to restore your Klever wallet in case you lost your device or you want to log in into another phone. So I'm going to show you how to restore that wallet as long as you have your recovery phrase saved. So let's go to the website briefly. On the website, this is clever.io, that is Klever. I won't really talk a lot about Klever wallet or the description because I did that in my previous video. Just click back on my channel, you will see the previous video how to set up a new wallet. Since you're restoring a new wallet, it means you already know what Klever wallet is about. So let's go to Play Store. Click on this. We go to Play Store. Here we are. I also won't talk a lot about this, so you click on install the app. Here we go. It will take a few seconds depending on how fast your internet is. Our wallet has finally opened. Has finally installed. So we click on open Klever wallet. Open. It will also take a few seconds to set up on the phone. Just briefly. We shall have to read through the privacy policy. I know most of you not really, but most people don't read the privacy policies, but it's better to read through it. So you just have to read through this. After that, you click on agree, and then you read whatever info, and then you continue. Now, welcome to Klever app, multi-coin P2P wallet. Remember, in the last video, I showed you how to create a wallet. So that's the option you choose. But in this tutorial, in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore a wallet. Remember in the last video of how to create, which you can check on my channel, I told you should never use your recovery key, and it's what I'm going to use to restore the wallet now. So I click on restore. So I have to first create a pin. I'm going to create a simple pin. For this, I re-enter the pin. Please type the 12 phrase words. Remember, I have them on my clipboard already, so I'm going to type them here. I'm going to paste them here. So after you've pasted the 12 recovery words, you click on restore wallet. Warning: restore seed will erase all data in the app for this device and pull information from the network for the restored account. Okay, it is restoring accounts. In this wallet of mine, I think I had like $3, either 3.4 or 3 point something. So increase the security. Enable biometry. I can skip this. I won't do this now. This account of mine had $3.4 or $3.5. It's going to load. So we have recovered our wallet. I'm sure it's still loading. This is not my balance was more than this. It was like $3. No, since it's still loading all the accounts. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you recover your Klever wallet account. I don't know why it's not yet loading all the cryptos, but it will load. So in the next video, I'm going to show you a walkthrough of the app in the next video. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you.